Hello guys, it's an English language. I'm your English teacher, тілі. Today we are going about Australia. Lesson objectives. To introduce the new words on the theme. To receive some information about Australia. What can you say in this picture? Yes, it's a kangaroo, sun, ocean. Okay. Let's introduce the new words. Write down on your copybook. Geographical position, rivers, mountains, climate, animals and plants, capital, cities and towns. Australia. It's the sixth biggest country in the world. It's an island surrounded by water. It's the smallest continent in the world. Country дегеніміз ел немесе мемлекет. Island арал. Continent құрлық. Okay, the next. History. James Cook discovered Australia in 1770. Britain sent prisoners and criminals to Australia. Europeans sold the land of Aborigines and killed thousands of them. Native Australians. The Aborigines have lived in Australia for over 40,000 years. Now they only represent 1% of the populations. The total population of Australia is 22 million. Cities. The capital city is Canberra. The biggest city is Sydney, where there is the famous Sydney Opera House. Please look at the picture. Other important cities. The first, Melbourne. The second, Brisbane. The third, Adelaide. The fourth, Perth. Typical animals. Koala, kangaroo. Let's do home task. Write short information about the main cities of Australia. Okay, I think it's clear the tasks. So, see you soon. Goodbye, students.